guys, good morning. Today is Sunday and my elder brother told me since last week that he wants to come and see my little studio. He was so excited the way I arranged it. He was like, okay, I'm coming to see your little studio. I'm like, the place is too small for you. So he said he's coming, and I want to make something. I want to make like fried rice, just cook up small fried rice and salad. I went to the market yesterday. Well, when I was coming back, I was beaten by the rain because I wanted to get fuel, should in case there's no light when he comes. Or I couldn't even get the fuel, thinking I'll do that today. But this is like early morning. This is around 7:30 or so. So he said once he's done from church, he's coming straight to this place. So I'm like, I hope I can finish this rice early enough before he comes. So let me just dive into the kitchen, make the rice and the salad. Then if he's not here yet, then I'll have to go get fuel. So you guys join me. Let me make tasty fried rice. So guys, I've been able to finish up with what I'm doing. I'm done with the cooking. I've been able to get the petrol This is around 1, and I've not seen my brother. I've not even given him a call. I need to know if he has changed his mind or he's still coming around. I'm really tired. I'm stressed out. So I think I am going to just eat something right now and then take a shower while I put a call across to see if he's still coming, and then we'll see what happens from there. Hey you guys, so I am back. I stepped out with my brother and a friend, so I went to check up on his site. So I decided to join them because it's been a long time. Like the last time I went there, it was still in foundation level. I'm so happy, like wow, it's almost a finished project. Now I'm trying to get busy again. I really want to, I have because yeah, today is Sunday, tomorrow is my upload day. Uploading 2 videos, like one for my first and second channel, but my second channel I don't even know if I can do that, because if I've not started doing if I've not started making research now, I can't just do research now and then present tomorrow. I'll still have to edit the video. So I'm going to start now to do my research. I'm sure I'm going to miss my upload for my second channel tomorrow. So but my first channel already have a video that I'm going to upload, the smoothie. So guys, let me get busy. Yeah. Okay, tomorrow we'll continue because I have a lot of things to do. Tomorrow I am going to the bank to run some errands, and I'm going to bureau the change. And then this hair, I need to take care of this hair. I want to wash it and braid. I don't know if I can do that all tomorrow, but let's see how it goes. So guys, I came around to the house, like I slept here yesterday, and today is Monday. I have some errands to run around for today. Like I have so many things to do, and if I'm not able to finish it, I'm definitely going to be continuing tomorrow. So right now, this is like 9. I've done so many things. I've done the laundry. Now I'm going out. I want to fix 1 or 2 in my bank. I'm going from FCMB to First Bank. So once I'm done fixing whatever I'm fixing, I'm going to bureau the change. But I don't think I'm going to video all that. And from there, I'm going to the market. The watch. I have like 2 watches that I was gifted, one by my uncle. So they are too big for my hands. That's why I hardly wear them. So I want to cut it. So maybe I'll start from there to film. So my bank journey, I don't know if I'm going to film it, but let's keep going. So I'm going to cut the watch. Then when I come back, I'm supposed to go to the salon today to braid my hair. Like, I want to do this Ghana weaving. I want to get this hair from CM Hair, and it's going to take time to come. So before then, because most of my hairs, I took it to the salon to be revamped. Like, the few hairs that I have left, I took it to the salon to be revamped. So I'm planning to get the new one I want to pay for today. It's going to take time before it will come. So I'm like, okay, let me just go do some Ghana weaving. Like, I can take for like 2 weeks or something like that before my hairs are ready. You guys, I'm set already and I'm ready to go. I'm so sorry, I don't have my light here. This place is not bright enough, and now it's like around 4. I just came back from my errands around bank, and I went to First Bank. They just kept me there. I literally stayed there for more than 3 hours. I just came back. I want to start going back to the studio now, because I am going to be there scripting and getting ready, because tomorrow I'm going to the salon and I need to maybe go with my filming equipment to capture the moment. So I'm so tired, and let me just go to the studio and just take a shower and then rest. Hey guys, good morning. This is Tuesday morning, and I've done some things. I wake up really early, like 6:30. If I'm not too busy is the thing. If I'm too busy, I wake up around 5. So I'll be going to make my hair this morning. I'm thinking if I should dedicate a whole video to making my hair. So, but I don't know. Let's see how it goes though. Okay, my schedule for today is literally to go make my hair. So but before then, I want to make something. I have this Irish potato I got since, and I don't want it to get bad, and the plantain is already too soft. I don't know if I can manage to use it, but I'm going to try and make up some egg and vegetable sauce and take my shower, then go. So this is what I made for breakfast. That's plantain, ripe Irish potato. This is egg sauce, and this is coleslaw. So the salon has already called me because I booked an appointment to come today. So let me just try eat and shower and then move.